have to wait. Well, if you need. Hi, everybody.
Sorry, we have technical difficulties with the mic, but this is Mike Baldwin, everyone.
Hello? Get it? Because there's nothing. All right. Who would have thought that the place run by potheads wouldn't have been prepared? That's all right. Oh man, my camera wasn't even on. That was funny as fuck.
Oh, something about potheads.
Boom. I probably should have waited for the microphone, but that's too late. Sometimes you do things in life, and by the time you realize it was a huge mistake. Are you doing the plug-in thing?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, we probably should have done that from the get-go. It's alright. So I'm Mike. I live in Wichita, Kansas, because my career's on fire. That's where you gotta go if you really want to make it in this business. All the big wigs live in Wichita. Oh, I heard something. Say something.
Mike, yeah.
Yeah.
Check.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, I don't even want to use this.
I'm better without it. All right, we're Mr. Rogers in this bitch.
I'm taking off my serious coat. All right, hell yeah. Now we're ready. Oh, I still got my hood on. Oh, and my hat. I kind of want to leave it on because then it leaves like a mystery as to what's going on under here.
I got higher than I meant to.
They all say that.
I did though, because I'm a cigarette smoker. Normally I would go smoke a cigarette before I do comedy, but they won't let me smoke cigarettes in here, but they'll let me smoke weed, and it's a degree outside, so I was like, all right, fine, I'll just smoke this instead. And now I'm just filled with regret. Does anybody not smoke weed every day? Sweet. Yeah. What the fuck are we doing with our lives, you guys? This isn't a comedy show. This is a secret AA meeting. You guys all got invited to because your closest friends think that you have a problem. Yeah, I agree.